Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you all about tags. So guys, let's begin. So guys, first let's talk about what's tag for. So tag is for to store content. So guys, now I'm going to tell you how you can create a tag. So guys, this is a start tag and this is end tag. So here I'm going to give you some example of a start tag and end tag. So guys, here you can see this is end tag from here to h1 to hi. So guys, there are many tags. Now I'm going to give you some example of end tag. So guys, first let me copy these start tags. So guys, here you can see in end tag you type this line here, this line. So guys, like this you can create a end tag. So guys, now here I'm to give you how you can create a tag. So guys, first you need to type here a start tag, then content goes here, then end tag goes here. So guys, like this you can create a so in HTML, all HTML is about tags. So I'm going to give you, this is tutorial 1. Like this you can create a tag. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you want more videos like this, then please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching now. See you next time.